What's up, what's up, what's up, you guys? It's your SkinnyBoyRandy. I hope you're having a great, blessed, prosperous day today. I am starting my avocado seed, you guys. Today is Tuesday, January the 21st, and we're going to start the avocado seed, okay? Okay! So, look, let me start off by saying shout out to my co-worker, Miss D, and she had a fresh avocado at work, you guys. And she gave me the seed. If you look at my other posts, you'll see she gave me a seed. So what I did was, when she first gave it to me, she cut it straight out of the avocado. So I said, she was like, Randy, you can grow this. And I'm like, okay, it's worth a try. Excuse me, you guys, I'm in my utility room, just making this video, trying to make this video. So this is my avocado seed. And as you can see, it started wrinkling up since she gave it to me. See, it was just like a dark brown, and now it's wrinkling up. So I think we're gonna plant this. And when I touch it, like on the sides, it's not very, it's hard, but you know, it feels like there's, yeah. I think I need to peel this, you guys. I've heard so many recommendations. Peel it, don't peel it, put it in there, put it in the soil, put it in here. We're gonna try the SkinnyBoyRandy way. Okay. So, here we go. We're going to start by peeling the avocado seeds. Now, avocado seeds are not supposed to grow. Well, God has control of all of that. But they're saying zone 7, they don't grow. They grow from zone 8 to 10 or 12. But I don't believe that because I have friends that sent me videos and footage of their plants growing in their house, living right here in Richmond, Virginia. So I'm going to do mine, you guys. Yes! Here we go. So, first of all, we're going to start off by peeling the skin. I'm going to move this out of the way. This is our avocado seed. This part down here looks a little more flat, like it could be the bottom, but you never know. And this looks like it could be the top. It kind of looks like a pecan before it comes out of the seed. So what I've been told is you're supposed to peel the skin off. As you guys know, I'm not professional, so we're growing and learning together, you guys. Hello, shout out to SkinnyBoyRandy beginners. Hey! All right, so I'm gonna put this paper towel back over here. And let's try to peel this, y'all. Let's see. We're going to take our time. Oh, I see white. So I'm not going to dig very far, okay? I see white, like the bare seed, you guys. I'm just peeling a little bit. Shout out to my good friend LaShonda Taylor, because she was like this, don't peel it. Now, you see when I peel that part, it shows this white piece. So, you guys, how are we going to grow this? We're going to take our time and peel this. Yep. I hope you guys are having a blessed growing day. I hope you're prosperous and everything is well with you and your family. So, I don't have to be seen in this video a lot. I just want to show you guys. Oh, see a nice big chip popped off? Okay. A nice big chip popped off. So, this skin can be peeled. Here we go. So, let's just peel the skin. Let's just do it, y'all. Hey, it is what it is. We experimenting, right? We're growing together. If you got you an avocado seed, tune into this video and make it work. Because I think it's still kind of fresh, so the skin is not peeling off like people say, like peel it like an orange and this and that. I don't think I want to go past this part here. Let me know what you guys think. I don't think I'm supposed to go past this white piece here. So, I'm trying without harming it. Oh, okay, there we go. It's coming on. So, we're going to continue and spread this seed around. Get the skin off, you guys. Especially get it off of down here where it's really kind of thick. There's some red stuff up in here, you guys. I don't know. Hopefully, we got a good seed. And I'm thinking the way they tell you to plant it, we don't have to peel off the skin because eventually it's gonna not even be in the picture, right? I'm thinking, hopefully. So I'm not going to damage the seed too much, you guys, because the skin is not as easy to come off. So it feels like it's still stuck to where it's supposed to be. So what we're going to do it the Skinny Boy Randy way, okay? You know we always do stuff our own way. And this is the avocado seed. This is how much skin I got off of it. I'm going to spin it all the way around for you. See how certain pieces come off and certain don't? And I feel like I'm damaging it if I keep going, but I guess the root system is inside. So, we're gonna see. I'm trying to peel a little bit more off, y'all. So when we put it in the water, it doesn't get any fungus or anything that comes from the shell portion. So, let's just go to work. Hey, let's just do it. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. It's gonna take a few weeks to even probably get some roots. Shout out to James Bond Jr., my best friend's brother, my little brother, James Bond Jr. How you doing? Chew, chew. That's what we used to call him, y'all. Chew, chew. Nice to hear from you, and thank you for sharing your avocado plant with me. And you guys, I wanted to share a picture, but I didn't have the share button on his post. So, but yeah, he's been growing avocado in New York, where he lives now. Shout out to New York City. I love New York. Invite me and your sister up there so we can do some Tina Turner at the Apollo. Okay? Okay. So this is all we're gonna do for ours, y'all. Now this is the bud. Well, this is the piece that has the black piece on it. So if I sit it up, I want you guys to see what I'm doing. Can y'all see that? So this is what it looks like. And I read somewhere, don't go against the lines when you go to put the toothpicks in. So we're not gonna go against the line. I don't know what we're gonna get from this, y'all. We're gonna try it though. Hey, it's worth trying. Anything is worth trying. You know? Anything is worth trying. I also appreciate you guys for being here. Thank you so much. If you have not clicked like and subscribe, please do so. And share the videos, y'all. I ain't mad. Share them. You know, good or bad, share them and let the people know Skinny Boy Randy is still doing his thing. All right? So now, they said to look for the lines in the avocado seed. And you don't want to disturb those because I think that's where the seed is going to break up. Just gonna take a little bit off the bottom here. I just took a little bit off the bottom here because it was really tight and hard, you guys. Again, I'm in my utility room and I'm just making this video because it's freezing cold outside. Yes, my water containers are frozen. Carrots are doing good, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do this avocado experiment. So, what I'm going to do with mine, and I learned this from one of my fellow gardeners and one of my YouTube channels that I follow. We're going to take these toothpicks, okay? Now look for the lines, and I see exactly what they're talking about. I'm hoping you can see it. You see that line right there, going straight down? That's what you don't want to disturb. Somebody told me what you think is upside down, put that the opposite way, because they say what looks like it's upside down is really not. The roots might come out of here or they might come out of here. So just given my knowledge of seeds growing and where things come from, I think this is where the root is. If it's not, you guys let me know. If it's not, let me know. I ain't mad at it. I appreciate all of your help. So we're not going to disturb that line. Let me see if I can show it to you again. Get closer. You see these lines in there? That's where the seed's gonna break open at, y'all. Yeah, I think that's where that seed is going to break open. So what we're gonna do is take toothpicks and avoid the line. Okay? Here is the avocado seed, and there's the line. Put it in front. There's that line. You see that line right there? We don't want to disturb that. So what we're going to do is put it not directly on this line. We're going to put it next to the line. Just a little bit. Okay? Just a little bit, enough to stick it in there. Then we're gonna go around and we're gonna do one here. Some people say 3, some people say 4. It's up to you. Whatever works for you and whatever kind of container you have, okay? So just try to keep them even. I'm gonna go on this side. You see, I see the line. There's the line. We don't want to hurt that line. So I'm gonna come here about 1/3 of the way and just go in a little bit. You see that, you guys? Just a little bit. Then I'm gonna do a 3rd one, avoiding again the line. Avoiding the line. Can I show you the line? Where is the line? Oh, there it is. And turn it this way. Avoiding that line down the middle. We're gonna go 1/3 of the way this way. And just a little bit, you guys. Don't stick it too far, okay? You guys see that? And now what we're gonna do, this is warm water that I've pre-warmed, pre-warmed some warm water. And we're gonna take our avocado seed and sit it in that water, just like that. You see that, you guys? That's how easy it is. Just sit it right in there like that. Can you see? We're doing our avocados, you guys. First time ever trying. So if you have an avocado seed or if you buy avocados from the grocery store, take your time and try it. Hey, it doesn't hurt to try, right? So look, the 3 toothpicks work. The avocado seed is soaked in water. Now, a tip that I've learned from one of my gardeners and one of the people that I follow is to take a 1/4 of an aspirin. And if you don't know what a 1/4 of an aspirin is, like you got $1 and you take 1/4 out of that $1. So you would take 1 aspirin and break it into 4. Okay? So that's half. You know, you break it in half and then break another piece. And drop it down in this water. Okay? Okay. So we put an aspirin. It's at the bottom. And just a regular aspirin, you guys. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. You don't have to go out here and buy all kinds of stuff. Just put an aspirin down in there. Okay? And there you have it. Starting an avocado seed. I put an aspirin in the water. 3 toothpicks in the top of in the top of the avocado seed. So yes, you guys, there you have it. Skinny Boy Randy showing you how I planted my avocado seeds. And we're going to follow this. It's going to be a while before it starts to root. And if you guys see something that I did wrong or need to do different, if I need to turn this seed over or what, let me know, okay? I love you guys. You're the best. Live, love, laugh, grow stuff, and eat it. We're doing avocado, y'all. We're going to make it grow. We're going to make it work. I love you guys. You're the best.